Every electric toothbrush begins with carefully selected engineering materials arriving at the factory. Engineering-grade plastic pellets are delivered for precision manufacturing. Every batch is tested before entering the production line. Quality inspection ensures consistent material for durable toothbrush components. Vacuum systems transport the material without contamination. Drying removes moisture for stronger, defect-free molded parts. The prepared material is now ready for precision injection molding. Heat and pressure transform solid pellets into molten plastic for precision molding. Molten plastic fills the precision mold in less than a second. Finishing creates a smooth, flawless toothbrush handle.
The electric motor begins with precision copper wire winding.
Computer-controlled winding creates the motor's electromagnetic coils. Magnets and bearings complete the motor's rotating system. Every motor is tested for speed, balance, and efficiency. Intelligent circuit boards are prepared to control every toothbrush function. Solder paste prepares the circuit board for precise electronic assembly. Automated machines position thousands of electronic components with microscopic precision. Controlled heating permanently bonds every component to the circuit board. Inspection verifies every solder joint before final assembly. Firmware gives the toothbrush its intelligent control system. The programmed circuit board is precisely installed inside the toothbrush handle.
The precision motor powers the toothbrush's high-speed cleaning motion.
Rechargeable lithium batteries provide long-lasting power for daily use. The charging coil enables safe and efficient wireless recharging. Precision seals protect the electronics from everyday water exposure. The drive shaft transfers the motor's power to the brush head. This mechanism converts motor power into high-speed sonic movement. Waterproof control buttons are installed for reliable everyday operation. Ultrasonic welding permanently seals the toothbrush housing.
Every assembled toothbrush undergoes its first complete functional test.
Every toothbrush is pressure tested to ensure complete waterproof protection. AI vision systems inspect every detail before final approval. Premium nylon bristles are prepared for the brush head. Automated tufting creates a precise and durable brush head. Polished bristles provide gentle cleaning while protecting sensitive gums. Ultraviolet sterilization ensures every brush head leaves hygienically clean. The brush head is precisely fitted to ensure smooth operation. Final testing verifies vibration performance before customer delivery.
Each toothbrush is carefully prepared for premium retail packaging.
Every package is securely sealed before leaving the factory. Every product receives a unique identity for global tracking.
Automated warehouses organize products for fast global distribution.
कंपी पारने जीनिस्ते है जो ये समली स्किन कर गई और वे कंटे कटनट दिया है गंते सभी के आती
Distribution centers organize products for rapid delivery to retailers.
Бребрис свис дробрий перстонит и присянцевидний свиницка. Бриске стваше приндиме. И мисто удник темника спона дема.
The finished products are carefully prepared for retail display.
Precision engineering delivers thousands of gentle cleaning movements every minute.
From raw materials to everyday innovation, this is the remarkable journey of an electric toothbrush.